Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! Today's vlog is going to be a complete guide on how to get to Boracay from Manila and Bacolod, including the itinerary and the boat trip. And I'm going to share with you some interesting facts about this destination, so make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Boracay is a small island in the western Visayas region of the Philippines. It is known for its whitey sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. It's one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Philippines, attracting millions of visitors every year. First things first, let me give you a quick guide on how we got to Boracay. We traveled from Bacolod to Iloilo via boat, and from there we took a series bus to Caticlan. It was quite a long journey, but the scenic views along the way were definitely worth it. Once we reached Caticlan, we took a boat ride to Boracay Island. The whole trip took us about 7 hours, but the experience was truly unforgettable. The main jump-off point is Caticlan GT Port, but there are different ways to get there. Here are four transport options when traveling to Caticlan GT Port. If you're coming from Manila or Southern Luzon, you can go to Boracay by air or by sea through To Go Travel Ferry. If you don't mind traveling long hours or a couple of days, then you might try this mode of transportation. It takes about 9 hours from Batangas Pier to Caticlan GT Port. The fastest route when going to Boracay is by air. It is also the most accessible. Since flights to Boracay are coming from different parts of the Philippines, including Manila to Boracay flights, and even several countries outside the Philippines. If you're coming from Manila, the capital of the Philippines located in Luzon, take a 1-hour domestic flight from the Ninoy Aquino International Airport to Caticlan. You can also easily book Boracay to Manila flights. Flying it from Clark to Boracay via Caticlan is an option if you're coming from the northern part of Luzon. Or if you want to avoid the traffic in Manila, Clark to Boracay flights are usually cheaper than Manila. If you're coming from Visayas, there are direct Cebu to Boracay flights from Cebu City Mactan International Airport. If you're coming from Mindanao, there are direct flights from Davao Francisco Bangoy International Airport to Caticlan. From Caticlan Airport, take a 10 to 15-minute tricycle ride going to Caticlan GT Port. We enjoy the beautiful views of the sea and the island as we approach our destination. And upon arriving at Boracay Island, we took another tricycle ride to our hotel, the Hinan Beach Resort, located on Station 2. The boat trip from Caticlan or Tabon Port to Boracay is a short but scenic journey. The boat ride takes you through the turquoise waters of the Cebuan Sea, giving you the stunning views of the surrounding islands and coastline. And when you arrive at Boracay, you will be greeted by the island's famous white beach, a 4-kilometer stretch of powdery white sand and crystal clear waters. The beach is lined with restaurants, bars, and shops, making it the perfect place to spend a day or two. Boracay is divided in three stations: the Station 1, the Station 2, and the Station 3. If you are looking for a resorts, luxury resorts, and a stunning beach, you can go to the Station 1. Here, you will find the beach that gives fame to Boracay. You can see the beautiful sunset while swimming in the turquoise sea. Staying at the Station 1 is for the pockets with greater budget because in this area are the most expensive resorts. There are good restaurants along the beach where to enjoy a sunset dinner for affordable prices. Station 2 is for shopping and partying and good price. It is the center of the white beach, is always perfect no matter what time and has many shops, restaurants and clubs. The accommodations are affordable and we recommend booking in advance, especially if you are planning your trip in peak season or holiday. The beach is near resorts and shops. Various restaurants and bars are located here. Souvenir shops and night shows are available on the beach resort. The last station is the Station 3. This station is farthest point to Station 1, and the area is more cramped and full of people. The beach is not that wide and is full of vendors. There is a variety in the accommodation with lower prices as well. First off, let me tell you about the hotel we stayed at. It was gorgeous property right on the beach, and we had an amazing time there. We booked our recent hotel stay through Lazora Pacific on Facebook. They're a travel agency online that's affiliated with Expedia and Airpaz, and we were really happy with our experience. The best part? We got a really great deal on our room rate. In fact, we save a ton of money by booking through Lazura Pacific on Facebook. When you book through them, you get access to the same great deals and discounts that you would get if you book directly through Expedia or Airpass. To book our hotel stay, we simply went to the Zora Pacific's Facebook page and accessed the Expedia, started browsing their available options. They have a really user-friendly interface, so it was easy to find exactly what we were looking for. And once we did, booking was a breeze. All we had to do was enter our dates, select our room type, and provide our payment information. Within minutes, we had a confirmation email in our inbox, and we were all set for our trip. It was seriously that easy. I know what you might be thinking. Isn't it more expensive to book through a third-party travel agency like Lazora Pacific? Actually, no. In our experience, we actually save money by booking through them, and because they're affiliated with Expedia and Airpass, we knew we were getting a great deal. Overall, we had an amazing stay at Henan Beach Resort and highly recommend it to anyone visiting Boracay. And if you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to book your hotel, be sure to check out Lazora Pacific and access Expedia. I'll include a link to their page in the description box below, along with some member discounts that you can use to save even more. Booking on Expedia through Lazora Pacific was so easy and convenient. We just entered our travel dates, destination, and number of guests, and Expedia showed us all of the available options. We were able to filter the results based on our preferences, such as price, location, and amenities. We were able to also compare prices and amenities at different resorts in Boracay and chose the one that best suited our needs and budget. Thanks for watching, guys! I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and adventures. Oh, and be sure to check out my previous video about our trip to Cebu. I'll include a link to that one in the description box too. Until next time, happy travels!